Hello, my name is Taras, and today I will tell you about the softener installation Softer by Litech Aqua. These installations are designed to soften water, to remove calcium and magnesium salts from water, so-called hardness salts. The principle of operation of such installation is to replace calcium and magnesium cations with sodium cations. This process takes place with the help of the special backfill which is located in the filter housing. This backfill is called ion exchange resin or cationate. This is what it looks like. When passing through the backfill layer, calcium and magnesium cations which settle in the backfill pores are replaced by the sodium cations, which are released from the backfill. This process is called ion exchange. In this way, the water that passes through the softening system maintains the balance of cations and anions, while hardness ions are removed from it. Why is this done? Like the video and subscribe to our channel, and I'll tell you more. When using water in everyday life or for technological processes in various types of production, hardness salts easily change into insoluble form and settle on various devices, forming a solid insoluble sediment. This process is especially noticeable when heating water or passing it. In this way, hardness salts can be deposited on heatness devices, pipes, etc., causing them to overheat or inefficient heat transfer. This process are harmful when operating industrial boilers and other industrial equipment. In everyday life, problems with hardness salts are noticeable by scaling on the heating element of electric kettle or by the deposition of lime scale on sanitary appliances. This Litech Aqua Softer 1465 twin unit consists of two vessels. The number means that the diameter of cylindrical part of the housing is 14 inches and the height is 65 inches. Twin means that it consists of two bodies that can work alternately. During the operation of the one of the vessels, the other can be in regeneration or standby mode. When the filter cycle of one of the housing ends, they switch places, and in this way, continuous operation of the softening unit is ensured. Control valves mounted in the upper part of the vessels are responsible for the work and regeneration process. We use control valves of American manufacturer Clack. The essence of the regenerational process of this installation consists in periodically passing of a saturated solution of sodium chloride through the ion exchange backfill. This solution is prepared in a salt tank. Tablet salt is poured here, and the control valves fills it with water. From time to time, if necessary, sucks out the saturated salt solution to pass from the backfill. When the salt solution passes through the backfill, sodium ions displace the ions of the hardness salts, which are discharged in the sewer with the flow of water. Thus, the properties of the ion exchange layer are restored. All process of filling the salt tank, extracting the salt solution, passing it through the backfill layer are called regeneration and are fully automatic. The particular installation has its own specific configuration and size, which were selected for the needs of the particular production. Our company can match the softener unit according to your needs, to your water quality and performance requirements. If you need to use softening units or other water treatment equipment, contact us. Litech Aqua specialists are always happy to communicate and cooperate. Company contacts are in the description under the video. If you like it, put it in the favorites. In order not to miss the next videos, subscribe to our channel and press the bell. Goodbye!